If your Schlage lock keypad just stopped working, you're not alone. These locks are tough, but sometimes they need a quick fix. Let's walk through the simplest steps together. First, check the batteries. Dead batteries are the #1 reason these keypads quit. Open the battery cover, swap them out for fresh ones, and try your code again. Still not working? Make sure you're pressing the buttons firmly and entering the right code. If some buttons aren't lighting up or responding, dirt or moisture could be the culprit. Gently clean the keypad with a dry cloth. Never use water or harsh cleaners. Next, check if the lock is in vacation mode. Sometimes holding the Schlage button too long can lock out all codes. To reset, remove the battery, wait 30 seconds, then put it back. Try your code again. If nothing works, a factory reset is your last resort. Look for the reset button inside the battery compartment. Hold it down until the light flashes green. Reprogram your codes, and you're good to go. And remember, if you're ever unsure, check the manual or call Schlage support. Don't let a stubborn keypad keep you locked out.